Today we have a bit unusual topic. We talk about phones, and more precisely about privacy respecting phone by Google. Sounds like oxymoron, but give me a couple minutes and I will explain what is the matter. We will do a quick unboxing and comparison with my old phone, and after that we will discuss a plan how to make them privacy respecting, attention friendly, and full of free and open source software. In my 7 years Pixel 3 phone, it survived a lot, but right now it barely works. And most importantly, it contains a vanilla version of Android, which with every day I feel more and more restricted by the lack of flexibility and configurability of this operating system. So let's get to the Pixel 9 Pro unpacking, and after that discuss how to make this software to be much better than vanilla Android. I ordered two packages. They both already used, but they should be in a good condition. This one should be like new. The other one is 99%, which also should be quite good. I will unpack and look at both of them. We'll pick the one that works best for me and we'll sell another one, or we'll send it back to the seller. Oops. Why I picked the Pixel 9 Pro? There are like a few reasons. It's probably the smallest phone from the Pixel series. It has telephoto lens, which is very useful, especially when you're in mountains or doing some sport activities. And the last but not least, and the most important thing, you have a Graphene OS available for the Pixel 9. For example, for Pixel 10 you don't have it. And the reason why I prefer the used one version, because you pay 2 times less, or maybe 1.5 less price for the same phone, but it's probably barely used phone, so it doesn't affect my experience in any way. Oh, it even contains a case. It looks quite nice so far. No visible scratches. And let's compare it size wise. It's definitely a bit thicker, but as you can see, the footprint here is not much bigger, and the Pixel 3 phone is very small phone, so I'm pretty happy with the size. It could be a bit smaller, and especially for my not huge hands, it will be more convenient to have a smaller phone, but this one feels and looks quite good. Okay, let's open the second phone. It will be the same Pixel 9 Pro, but this time in white color. Oh, another reason why I bought 2 of them is because it was a discount, and I was not sure if the seller, it's 2 different sellers, seller will ship it or not for this price. I think the price was around 500 USD or 15 million Vietnamese dong. So I ordered both of them in case seller will decide not to sell one of them. Actually, this one looks also pretty good. You have a bit of dust, but not much else. There is no visible scratches or anything. So looks pretty good. I think I will do more detailed exploration of them later and will show you how the software works. For now, it will be just a physical appearance. This is a future me. I found the pin code for the phone, and right now I am exceptionally happy with how fast the UI is, how responsive it is. It's so much pleasure after years of suffering with a bit old and overheated and probably degraded phone to finally use something like this. Both phones are identical. The camera is also quite snappy, and X5 zoom works as expected. So hardware-wise, it seems good. It's comfortable in size. It's quick. The battery, I don't know yet. We'll see in the future. But overall, the first impression is quite positive. Now let's talk about the plan for the software. The plan is to use a Graphene OS, which is a fork of Android with a lot of improvements. You have profiles where you can split your applications. You have a good isolation. You can really stop the application from working even in the background. You have more granular options to give capabilities to the software, and much more very useful stuff which will improve not only privacy of your phone but also usability, because you will be able to control how it notifies, in which profile it executes. So for example, you have a focus profile when where the applications necessary only for work or for navigation are available, and you have a separate profile where the applications for communication available, for example, and you don't get notifications from the applications you don't want to see at the moment. More details on how we will set up probably I will cover in the other video, and if you are interested in exploring with me Graphene OS and its configuration and capabilities in more details, please write a comment or write me an email. You can find my contacts on trop.in/contact. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this small unboxing and first impression of this phone, and we'll see you in a bit. Bye.